So we're back in the greenhouse, and the King Stropharia mushrooms have fruited, and we've missed it probably by about 5 days, I reckon. You can see the ones back here have been smashed by snails and slugs and things. There's some good looking ones, but I'll give you a quick view as to how well they've gone. So that's them, and then if we look underneath the bench here, you can see how many more. And I'm expecting there's going to be another flush sometime soon, and I can just keep feeding this patch now and get way more mushrooms. So I'd say this is a roaring success. That's probably the best looking one there. It's the guy on the post. Keep rolling.